To install this, we've got our Pixelcade marquee. We've got a couple wood screws right here, trusty Phillips screwdriver, and then over here we've got our 12 volts power to power the marquee, and then I've got a micro USB connector to connect to the LCD marquee as well. So let's make sure this is not upside down, so this is right side up, and I'm just simply going to take my 12 volts power, plug it in there, and then again we got to make sure we don't put it upside down. Now a good way you can tell too is if you look at the front of it, this may be a little hard to see on the camera, but this top part is a little thicker than the bottom part in terms of the marquee cover, so that's how you know you got it right side up. So I'm just simply gonna set it here like so. Once you've got your hole drilled, go ahead then take your screw, use those metal screws. This I would not use a screw gun, I would use a screwdriver, because you've got your pilot hole, it's going to go in pretty nice and easy. Okay, and once you've got the right side done, or if you start on the left side, the other side's going to be pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to put in my screw until I find that hole. That's it right there. Okay. The other side's not going to fall over, so you can just walk around and do the other side. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Then this is optional, but there's a little top cover piece here. You can just put that right on the top, and that gives it a little nicer look. You can glue it down or just kind of leave it there. That's totally up to you. Let's leave it off for now. Then it's just a matter of turning this guy on. So let's go ahead and turn it on.